Yo, what's going on, guys? Good evening. Let's talk a little Onyx coin XCN before we call it a night, shall we? All right. So, right now, guys, market is kind of in, you know, a state of dollar cost averaging opportunity, we'll call it. Looks good. Onyx down 4.5% on the day, up 5.5% on the week, up 9.6% on the month, and up 50.1 on the year. Up, we're up actually 6 spots in rank right now to 546, $74.66 million market cap. Volume is at 5.49 million. We got to start seeing a little bit of volume start coming back into the market here, probably in the next, 2 weeks, right? Now, we talked in the live stream about the significance of January 3rd in the last bull run in 2021, right? And how if things are similar this time around, we could see things start to pick up. Now, it won't be the exact date, obviously, right? Give or take a couple of weeks. These things, they do tend to rhyme, but they don't play out exactly identical, right? So, in saying that, we could see things really start to go parabolic in January, but we're going to watch, we're going to follow. That's why you got to pay attention every single day, guys. When things I would say the most important time you need to pay attention to the market every single day is between November and November of the post halving year, okay? Like the year after the halving. So we had the halving in 2024, going into 2025, from November of 2024 till November of 2025. That is where you want to be paying the most attention all year, right? All year long, guys. It's true in every cycle, okay? So real quick, before we get into it, guys, speaking of the cycle, going into the next bear market, there's something that a lot of people are, we've been talking about this in some pretty vivid detail over on the Patreon. We have live group video calls there, and we were discussing this tonight, actually, how DeFi staking in the bottom of a bear market is actually a fantastic opportunity for passive income. And Onyx coin on Onyx protocol actually provides a phenomenal opportunity. And I'm going to show you why in a moment here. Actually, I'll jump over to it right now and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if we look at Onyx coin right now, the APR is 33.04, right? And people, they ask, well, how's that sustainable? Well, it's not sustainable, right? The more people that stake, the lower the percentage goes, right? Think about it like a pie. And you have a big piece of that pie right now. But the more people that come in and say, hey, I want some pie too, the smaller your piece of pie gets, okay? So it's not sustainable in that aspect, right? It's just logic. Now, in saying that, I want you to think about this. Going into the bottom of a bear market, when most liquidity and most people have left the market, especially in the first 12 to 15 months, once to realize the top is in the bull run, right? You've got about 12 to 15 months of downward action. Now, what I would say to that is you go into a protocol after about 12 months at the bottom, like Onyx protocol, and you end up with amazing APR opportunities staking on the protocol, which is exactly one of the things that we're going to be doing via the Patreon through the bear market, right? We're going to find, like, this APR is going to be insane. Why is it going to be so high? Because less people will be in the market staking. They will be gone. Most people leave during a bear market. They don't understand that it's a good idea to stick around and take advantage and learn and get educated. Instead, they just go away for a couple of years and then they come back and they try it all over again, right? We stay here, we learn, we make passive income, we study these projects, these cryptos that are launching, what developments are happening on these protocols like Onyx coin. Are they working with anybody? Are they being adopted? We stay on track of these kind of things, right? So it's going to be a great passive income opportunity in the bear market, something to keep in the back of your mind. And if you want to learn more about that stuff, then just get over to the Patreon, guys. The link is down below for that. All right, let's go here. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin's chart real quick before we get into Onyx Coin's chart. So I was talking earlier, guys, we have a green candle on Bitcoin today right now. It's kind of a T candle. We hit down at this support line at $92,000. We wicked back up, and now we're kind of trying to pump to the upside. We're almost back at 93K. What I think is going to happen here, guys, that why this is here, this is my scribbles, right? I was showing earlier. I think that we probably, the odds are good, we will pull down to around that 85 to 88K, like I've been telling you guys. But what I think is going to happen here is we're going to come down into here, and then a lot of people are going to start putting in 100x and 50x shorts. Sorry, a lot of shorts. And the reason they're going to put in these shorts, because they're going to have confidence that Bitcoin's going to come down here between 78 and 80,000 to fill a CME gap that's down here, right? However, I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're going to come down here. I think we're going to start to consolidate right here. People are going to put in their shorts, and then we're going to get a short squeeze, and we're going to head back up and start closing candles over $100,000. That is just one possible scenario that I see playing out, guys. Or who knows, maybe we will come down and fill the CME gap. Right now, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, you guys. And if there's anyone out there right now telling you that they know what's going to happen next with Bitcoin, what decision Bitcoin's going to make, they are full of it, okay? All we can do is look at the possible scenarios at this point in time. Bitcoin has not confirmed what it's going to be doing next, on whether it's to the upside or the downside at all. It has not confirmed anything. It's just been consolidating, not making any decisions, right? Though we are putting in lower highs and lower lows, which is not fantastic, but we have no confirmation one way or the other. So in saying that, if we go over to the Onyx coin chart, I will show you something. All right, so if you have a look, I've been kind of charting it a little bit. So we were in this channel for a long time, right? We were in this channel, long. I think it was like 4 months or something like that. We were in here. Finally, we had our snap to the upside, as you can see. Now we're in a falling wedge pattern. We've had our breakout to the upside on it. Now, we have not had a retest of the top of the trend line, but it's not always 100% necessary. I mean, it's usually good to confirm the breakout, but sometimes you just don't get that touch, right? So if we don't, now this is a bull flag pattern we have here. So the break to the upside is going to hit us. It's going to hit somewhere right around this area, right? Right around 2036 is what I would say, okay? Up to that area on the breakout, probably after that, we'll hit some resistance. We may come down into here between 2033 and 2031 and 2039. Okay, we'll probably come into here in this area to consolidate after that, possibly a little bit lower inside of here, right? Inside of this golden pocket. So it depends on how violent it is, depends what Bitcoin's doing, right? Depends on these things, putting in a higher low, and then, for further continuation to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on here, guys. Breakout of the bull flag all the way up here. Now, that would be another, from where we are right now, I mean, if we do come up to here, we're looking at a 52.89% move to the upside. Actually, no, that's inaccurate. Sorry. That's not where we are. Is it oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, 50. So 52% move to the upside there, which is perfect, right? Let's get up here. Let's build a higher low and keep it going, right? Higher lows and higher highs, baby. Let's keep going to the upside here. And it's right on time for the altcoins to start kicking off next month, right? So everything's lining up, guys. Absolutely perfect for Onyx coin, for Jasmy, for Swift, for everything, really, right? So we will get through here. We just got to get through this little level of resistance. We need a little bit of volume to come in, possibly late in the week or next week. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. And then it's Moonshot City, baby. It's Moonshot City. Patience is key, guys. This market will test you. I've told you that 100 times. This market will test your patience, right? And what else do we have here? They say New Year's Eve. We will be back in 2020. It's New Year's Eve. We'll be back in 2025 with updates on Zealy winners, ambassador changes, gas refund confirmations, and more. Happy New Year from the Onyx Coin DAO. And don't forget to get your gas refund actions completed before the clock strikes midnight UTC. So, looking forward to finding out who the new ambassadors are. I'm going to shoot Wes a message probably tomorrow, get him back on the channel, have a little bit of a chat, a little bit of a conversation. Love chatting with Wes, so we will have him back on the channel. Hopefully he's got some time. So yeah, that's that's kind of what we're looking at as of right now for Onyx Coin, guys. So everyone over on the Patreon is getting jacked up and excited for these group video windows that we're opening over on the Patreon where you're able to jump in. So imagine this, you're sitting around, you're stressed out, you're unsure about what's going on. You heard some bad news about Onyx Coin or Jasmy or something like that. You read some FUD, you saw a video and you're uncertain. You need to talk to somebody. Well, we're opening video call windows, group video call windows where you can hop in. There's usually about 40 or 50 people in there chatting away, guys, where you can hop on. You can either hop on camera or you can turn your camera off. Either way, you can talk with everybody else in there. You can ask questions. You can get the reassurances that you need. If you hear something, you can hop in. Hey, guys, did you hear this? This is worrying me. What do you guys think? All that kind of stuff. We have that kind of reassurance and assistance over on the Patreon for you guys. It's a phenomenal community. We have hundreds of people over there right now, guys. We have so many veterans and we have like a lot of beginners, and everyone's there helping each other and stuff like that. Join the community. You can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally, and I can help you out. If you don't have an exit strategy in place for this bull run, guys, and you've never been through an altcoin season before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs, and we can help you make sure that you're getting the profits that you need and getting out of the market. Guys, listen, 95% of people in crypto don't make money, okay? And every decision that you make going into these next 6, 8, 9 months in your portfolio are going to be massive. Do not wing it. Don't go willy-nilly on it and figure you'll just stumble across millions of dollars, okay? Get the help that you need from an educated community who can help you out. The link is in the description, guys. Join again. Schedule your group, jump into the group video calls. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one.